Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will learn how you can install JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Setting up a suitable development environment is necessary before one can begin creating Java applications. It makes it easier for developers to use the tools required to create any application and ensure that all operations and processes run smoothly. The very first step is to download the Oracle Java Development Kit from the official Oracle website. For that, head over to the official website. Simply type Java JDK. And here is the official website of Java. So simply click on this website. Scroll down. You need to identify your system specification to install the right version. This website contains the latest version for our corresponding system. So if you are using Linux, you need to download the Linux file. If you have Mac OS, you need to download the Mac file. And if you are using Windows, you need to download the relevant version of Windows. So I am using 64-bit operating system, so I will simply download this file. You can download this or this, it's up to you. Simply click on this link and it will download the JDK file. Open it, allow permission. The installation will start soon. Our installation has been started. Simply click next, and it will install the JDK in our operating system. So this process is basically running and it will install soon. Well, it has been installed. We have to configure environment variables to notify the system about the directory in which JDK files are located. So proceed to C, program files, because I have installed it in a C, and here you need to find Java. Come to this folder and simply copy this path. Now click on in search box and type environment. Simply click on this, edit the system environment variables. Now we need to click on this environment variables. After that, we need to click on this path. Simply click on edit and simply click on this new button and simply paste that path. Click OK. After that, we need to click on this new button, and here we need to type the variable name Java_home, and after that we need to paste that path here but remove ban. Now click OK, OK, OK. Open the CMD and type Java-version. Hit enter and it's showing Java version 21.0.2. So our Java JDK has been successfully installed, and you can see it's telling us the Java version as well as it's telling us the Java SC runtime environment tool is also installed. Java hotspot is also installed. So all Java tools are successfully installed. So keep learning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next video.